Hi, I want to show you how to create a professional logo in 5 minutes. Introducing Easy Logo Studio. It's the most simple logo creator that's powered by human creative designers, not artificial intelligence. You only need PowerPoint to run Easy Logo Studio in 3 simple steps. First, browse logo ideas by industry. Next, change colors and fonts. Then, save and export. Don't believe it? See the quick demo. Get inspired by our logos. Easy Logo Studio is a solution for you to create a professional logo. No hassle, and save $1,000 to hiring a logo designer. You will also get branding design templates to give more value to your logos. Brand Identity Kit. Easy Logo Opener. Easy Slides Presentation. Plus more exclusive bonuses. What are you waiting for? Get Easy Logo Studio now.